Now we're going to set the clock radio on this stereo system. If you guys have any of these older radios, this is how you're going to set the time. Now this will work with anything that has this style of AC Delco radio, or even if it has the Bose system like mine does. Let's go ahead and spin you guys around and I'll show you where the buttons are. Alright, so your clock radio buttons are down here. In order to get this to light up, you can turn your key to the accessory position or turn it 2 clicks to the on position. The first one will not do it. It does not light up. You have to go one more and that lights up everything. But we can just go to accessory and still set it here. So what you do is press and hold these 2 buttons. You can press either one of these down here, either the hour or the minute. You'll press and hold that for a few seconds, and you notice those 2 dots in the center blinking. Now you have to move this all the way around to set your time for your hours. And then if you want to set minutes, it's the same thing. It goes in 1 increment at a time with a button push. You do have to go all the way around if you do miss it. When you're ready to set it, you'll turn the radio on, then turn it off. And just like that, your radio is set. Now remember, any stereo that looks like this, even if it's in a Camaro, Firebird, any of the Pontiac stuff, Grand Am, Grand Prix, anything that has this style radio, guys, this is how you set it. The 2 buttons down here, and then set it with the on-off switch. This radio isn't really that complicated. People that have had GM vehicles probably already know how to do this, but if this is the first time you've dealt with an older stereo system, this is how you would set it. And the reason that we'd have to flip the power switch on and off in order to get it to set is there's no good way to back out of it unless you just let the time of setting the radio expire. You do have to set it before you turn the key off, though. If you turn the key off before you've set the time, it won't set the radio. So you do have to set that clock and lock it in before you turn the key off. Turning the key off will cycle it off like this. And you'll pull it out. Again, it has a certain amount of countdown to where it'll shut it off completely. But when it does, then the radio needs to be set. The time needs to be set on it before you exit out. Now, normally, that's long enough before it just shuts it down that it will automatically set it. But in a weird case, if that does happen to you, you'll just have to go back in and repeat the procedure over. Guys, I want to say thank you for all your support. It really has helped. We are building the channel. We are growing. I'm looking into different things for the channel and to do different things for you guys, including different projects. We just wrapped up our Nissan Pathfinder project. We are now going to move into a little bit of stuff with Crimson Vortec and possibly Champagne Bubbles. I got some big news on all of the fleet stuff. So guys, there's plenty of stuff coming.